Mm. Surprise!
I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my
Leash.
feeling myself.
Don't forget the cream.
Don't forget the cream. I'm feeling myself, you know. I get a lie.
Feeling myself.
I'm feeling myself.
Look, I'm feeling myself like I lost my keys. Ching and ching, but I'm not Chinese. Them yo there, they are not like me. They've got dry knees. Cream your face before you chat to me. Turn MJ, get back to me. Because them yellow dead. Battery.
What's up, yo? What's up? I'm Carlos.
Yeah, man.
Carlos right there. Say hi to your vlog.
Good afternoon.
Yes, so we're walking out for lunch today. And yes, like my glasses? It's my fave, yo. Love it. So we're going across the bridge. Can we do outfit of the day? Miyako. We're gonna do the outfit of the day today. So keep it locked. The outfit of the day. Give me a walk. So when I see your face. Ooh. Hey. I love the blouse. The cardigan is really nice. It complements the blouse. Pants. How is it clean?
There goes Mel. Okay.
Red blouse.
Yeah.
Black pants.
Yeah. Give them a flip. Give them a flip now. Ah. 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 Ah.
Where I always find people to match my personality. Boy, mad. But you don't know. We're hungry. We're keeping it locked. So guys, I haven't vlogged in a couple of days because I've been so busy. You know, but we're back on the road now. A couple of changes. I have to start working out at home because I'm gonna start school soon, so that kind of change up some things, but we still are work on the weight loss and thing. So we're in the elevator now. Tell me, come not just the elevator. One more. People keep asking me about my ring though. What kind of ring you look like too, no? Huh? Every day, people are talking about my ring. My boyfriend gave me this ring on my birthday. It's a promise ring, people. Just a promise ring. I'm not married yet or engaged yet. In the supermarket now, I'm gonna get a water. So, what that go last of your lunch too?
Hey, something strawberry. Makes so start tremble.
She hungry till she start shake. Hi. So we roll, man, when we're hungry start shake. When I'm hungry, I buy food. See my hand them, I laugh. Shake me, the rice can't go in my mouth. By the time I reach my mouth, everything drop off. Oh. Me do my ear, guys.
Expensive.
Straight ear. So me can you buy that take buy food? It's not fun? Yeah, me do my ear. I'm a flat tiny this morning. They talk about my life every day. I talk about them like not one day. Yeah, I'm a song that you know.
Yeah, put it on you.
So what you want to buy for them? So guys, from last week Saturday, me buy some fries and sitting. I went to do my hair and I bought fries and a club sandwich. And now me jambe the fork in the fries. Jam in my mouth, my gum burn up. Like yeah, affect me right now. Everything Tamika tell myself to use salt water. I'm using salt water and now work. I think I'm gonna go to the pharmacy to get something to rub on it.
No straw.
Don't have no straw?
You think no straw?
Really?
And then more come back, you know.
You never see it?
You don't have to fuck up in there.
What kind of big establishment like that now? No straw.
Oh, charger.
Oh, what
I
is?
must sell so much
Drink.
juice and whatever. You can more charger, man. You know me, I get a life to the boat.
And me noticed them in another place then. Yes. Me noticed them in another place. They know customer service friendly. Guys, you're opening a business, entrepreneurial tip of the day. You have a business, right? You have to make sure that the customer service is on point. People will pay a lot of money if you're giving good service, right? So service is very key to any business we have, online or offline. Yes?
You must get back much, right?
See me one face to the other day. This one. Alright. You want to come in a video? Huh? Right up now.
The right guy.
If you are a girl. Like that song there. I never let you go. This love right here is gonna be, baby, gonna be forever. Your love is electric. Right, that's how I start. You make me feel sexy. You make me so crazy. Yes, your love is electric. But I'm not saying start.
Okay.
I'm not sure if you guys are hearing the wind in the background. It's pretty windy today. And sun hot too. If you were my girl. Alright guys, I needed to add me on Snapchat because I've been trying to upload whenever I have any technical difficulties or anything is happening. I put it in Snapchat. So that way you guys can keep in contact and know what is happening, you know? You can keep in contact and know what is happening, right? So add me on Snapchat. It's Melicaskylife. What? Sorry. So it's Melicaskylife. Please guys add me, so if anything I can tell you what is what, you know, and you can contact me or whatever. So this is us walking on the road, and yeah, we are going for lunch. That's it. Melicaskylife. I'm out. Jamaica. Out. Yeah. No, so I want them on my vlog still. No, so this one I want them on.
If you don't want them, big, you have to come talk to me because they're cheapest one.
Oh.
You understand?
Somebody else in here?
Cheapest one. No, me and my boss in about me cheaper than them.
When then?
You know they are now.
Okay.
You got a big. They tell us that they're cheapest
You
one.
guys like this here?
Guys, this is a bottle opener. Don't get it twisted.
150 now.
Bottle opener.
250 this time.
Don't treat that in foreign.
How are they funny? Where are they?
No. You should let me first.
This one, yeah?
A $3 you say for that one. So how much is this one? The one here?
The one I did sell for 6, so this is
$3. Oh, okay. Jamaica, would I recommend I buy Jamaica one them though? Cause they go mash that up. No, they go dirty that over that, me I tell you.
How is a kimura dirty?
Alright. Lock my mouth.
Yeah, the lady,
No, pitney no.
I mean, lunch money may have. What kind of money for me?
What was that?
I never said 60
Happy day, the video around.
Take it up to my face.
Take you one, take pic.
No, so video my video. I have a vlog. You want to say something from the vlog? Yes or no? You want to say something from the vlog?
No, darling.
Okay. She don't want to know. So we in one store now. I'm gonna try buy some stuff. See, some our family them. Stuff. The restaurant already yet, so we kind of kill little time and wait upon them. The Jamaica one? Or the one we insist we get? Huh?
The Jamaica one I want to
I think they shouldn't get the Jamaican on them. And then they will last them longer. We lost them. Watch how you thick, man.
Yes.
I don't know say so thick.
Yeah.
But he got dirty up still.
You're not top say go dirty up.
What go dirty up?
Except I purpose them dirty. Yeah, this year one day.
A man come?
Hello, how can I help you, sir?
Popping pizza. Why you click?
Huh?
What is it you want for your vlog?
Tamika, me vlog the on me and me there to the wall.
Okay,
So I understand.
You camera so.
Where your arm like to take number?
So lighter. Then big.
That's a edge. See the letter.
Where color I care where you drive?
Brown one. Brown option.
So guys, we're just here killing some time. I'll vlog later on, but can't bother to talk English. Me vlog later.
I never force you.
So, yeah. How many people vlog? Alright, my glasses late. Still no one send them to Skylife TV.
Love one year short.
Show them what you get. She got
Cute,
those
don't it?
2 armbands. Yes, so we got what we wanted, 2 armbands. So we're leaving now. Bye, thank you.
Thanks, alright.
Such a nice lady.
Yes.
So we're going to the restaurant now. Hey, Skylife family.
Look down the CC traffic. Look down.
Yeah. Yo, when girl good, girl good.
I know you got. No, sir. No go feel. No, sir.
Go fry us, so.
No go feel, man.
I love like, oh, me look so blurry.
That's your block. That's the window in the thing. Lucky window just makes some gear.
Wagwan. 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 What's my first name?
Blackie.
Roman, you're just so lame, yo.
Brownie.
Guys, so I'm on my way to look for Punky and then go back home. Hey guys, Skylife first. Roman don't know what me vlogging. Because I think vlog a bit.
There you go.
Hey, vlog,
Me and a
bro.
puppy show, man.
We're at the supermarket. If it's shameless.
Me and a puppy show.
Shameless.
Okay.
Yes, so we're at a supermarket. Looking some stuff. It looks like Ike. Oh. Baby. Baby. No. Thank you so much for stopping by Melicaskylife TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.